guys surviving? Mommies, mothers, what are you guys doing to entertain your kids at home? That's the Real Ital Caribbean cooking right there. So quarantine food, I've got turmeric in there, I have carrot. If you want to see the recipe for this banana bread, visit my son's YouTube channel, Liam's Hut, right? And you could see the full video. We uploaded it yesterday. So that was the Easter baking for Zane. So visit his channel. That's it right there, Liam's Hut. I also separated this video into two. This one is the cleaning. Next video will be the cooking. How is it going for you guys? Those of you who are working from home. I am working from home. Plus I have my little one, and trust me, my home is in a mess 24/7 right now in comparison to when I'm at work. He's in the tub right now. I just put on a little shallow water for him because I need to clean up. He just made a lot of mess. I had some conferences today. Yeah, so how are you guys surviving? Mommies, mothers, families, what are you guys doing to entertain your kids at home? How are you surviving this? To tell you the truth, it is different. Working and having your kids at home, it is very, very different. So today I'll just be cleaning up. Like if you see, like my living room is in a mess. I could show you my living room right now. He made a mess out of everything. Over there is dirty. Plus I have to cook food for the family. So it's actually my lunchtime. I'm gonna clean up and try and cook some food. And yeah, so you guys could stick around. Let me know what you guys are doing, what you do to entertain your kids. So basically this is what I will be doing. I will be giving him a shower. I'll be cleaning up my home. Join me in the kitchen for some cooking. I'll be cooking a nice one pot today, so you can join me for that. I'll show you how I make my Caribbean dumplings. Yes, quarantine style. So I'll be cooling in. Just stick around for this full video. Again, some of you haven't gotten a chance to really see my full apartment. Maybe this quarantine is gonna give me a time to share everything with you. You could see behind the scenes, me at home doing everything, cooking, cleaning, being the mommy, being the wife, being that teacher, that employee, everything. I'm at home. And let me just clean up my son's area. The good thing about my son's play area, I purchased a lot of those cubbies, if you'll remember. So it's easy for me to just pick up his toys and place it in the bin. So all these toys and stuff. Give his area a good clean up. So I'm putting everything in the bin right now. He made a total mess out of everything. Like these are Easter eggs. I bought these for the Easter if you want to do arts and craft with your kids. I bought those bins for him to store all his toys and all his packs. To just put them in here. He made a whole mess. He did create a whole mess. He had juice. He just juice spilled. Wipe all this up. Very messy. Plenty of stuff. trying to clean up the area. Again, I live a minimalist life, so I haven't got much stuff at home. It's more decluttering everything. So this is the living room area, so I just cleaned my son area.
Hello, Mommy.
Oh, look.
Hi, everybody.
Did you finish, babe?
Yeah. Everybody, I can read a mess today.
You finished, babe? You telling everybody you finished, babe?
Yeah, but I make a mess today.
Did you make a mess?
Yeah. I made a mess today.
You made a mess today?
Yeah.
Yes, you did. You made a mess.
But I will.
So I had him taking a bath while I'm cleaning up his area. Yeah.
It's me. It's another me.
I know.
Hello.
Hey, cover your underwear. Go put an underwear on you. Scented candles. I got these during the Christmas holidays. Yeah.
I will blow it.
Yeah, we gotta light it up.
Yeah, and I have to blow it
Mm-hmm.
and make a wick.
Yeah.
And but I make a wick today.
So very minimal, just 1, 2 stuff on there, and nothing much. So I'm done cleaning the apartment. Now it's time for me to head in the kitchen and cook up something. No idea, I want to cook a soup today, so join me for that. I'll show you how I roll up my dumpling. If you're someone that likes soups. Zane, you want to join me in the kitchen? You want to cook up some food? Come here.
I don't want to cook olive.
Yeah?
Pizza.
Chef. Quarantine. Yeah, let's go in the kitchen and cook up something. Hopefully you stick around for that. I'm not sure what you're cooking at home, but send me some images on my Facebook page. That's Darcy Beauty by Darcy. I'm gonna put it right down there. Send me some images of what you're cooking during quarantine, what you're preparing for your kids. Zin and I, we're home. I'm working hard, I'm cooking, I'm cleaning. So I have a channel for him where I'm doing different things with him, like in the evening or early in the morning. I wake up and do some stuff with him, so you guys could check that out. Join me on Facebook, let's have a chat. I'm on Facebook like 24/7. Okay, if I can't edit a video, I'm on Facebook. So yeah, so noisy home, I'm home, cooking, cleaning, being a wife, being a mom, being a teacher, being an employee. So join me. Let's go in the kitchen. If you love my videos, hit the subscription button and there is a notification bell. Just click that so you're notified when I upload an awesome video. Okay, I am Darcy. See you in my next video. Bye guys.